guys, so I've had a few of my friends request me to watch this video called Heavy Rain Glitch. It says, I think my friend overloaded Ethan by having him say Sean too much. He ended up in a loop where he could say it whenever he wanted to in the ending cinematics, and this was the result. This has almost 4 million views and over 93,000 likes, so I'm pretty sure I'm in for a treat. And considering the last few videos I've had to watch, where I've pretty much been going through pain and torture, if you guys haven't seen those, check them out on the description below. But let's go forth with this hilarious video, which I've been told is hilarious. So without further ado, let's do this. I'm pretty excited for this one, because I've been told it's amazing. So playing in 3, 2, 1. What the fuck?
I can prove your innocence.
Congratulations, Ethan. You're the father that I have been looking for all these years. The man capable of giving his own life to save his son. You got one. I'm afraid that's not possible. Your lady friend knows my little secret. I don't intend to end my days with you. I'm going to have to kill both. I'm sorry.
So distant.
He's still saying it when he's like super far away. What the fuck?
Ah, my cat leg. Sean.
Oh man. He's still saying it, what the hell? Still yelling it. Wow.
Sean.
That's amazing.
Crooks.
Oh, Christ.
Gosh.
Well, I'm mute up, bitch. You are dying!
Oh man, this is killing me. Get him off!
Oh god.
Climb!
You got it. Sean! Sean!
Still healing. Sean!
You gonna let her die?
What the fuck? Holy shit! Oh man! Oh man! Holy shit! Oh man, I'm fucking crying. Oh man. The look on his face after he shot him. Yeah! What the fuck? How did he do that? Holy shit, I'm fucking crying. Oh man. Oh. Holy fucking shit. Oh man, that's amazing. That's amazing. Oh man. Whew. All right. That made my day. So, if you guys enjoy my reaction, hit that like button. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. Oh man, that was amazing.